Hey, beautiful soul. I am Jenny from Soul Bombers. We are committed to hand-holding in your journey of self. What most people don't realize is this. Our energetic body is constantly working behind the scenes, naturally attracting things without us even trying. It's like an automatic blueprint, designed to pull in energies based on the vibrations we emit. But here's the important part. This attraction isn't limited to what we consciously desire. It extends to every vibrational code within our energetic body, whether that code is based on love, fear, doubt, or even complaints. So, what does this mean for you? It means that if you're carrying codes of fear or negativity, you're attracting more of that into your life, even if it's not what you want. But don't worry, there's a solution. You have the power to change this by taking two crucial steps: activating your energetic code and aligning or recoding it to attract the things you truly want in life. Let's dive deeper into this. Your energetic body has a natural attraction blueprint. You are, at your core, a magnet, a walking, living, breathing magnet, constantly pulling things towards you. The key question is, how strong and powerful is your magnetic field? And more importantly, how aligned is it with attracting the things that truly matter to you? Step 1. Amplify your magnetic field. To start, you need to amplify your magnetic field, making it more vibrant and potent. The vibrancy of your energy begins at your energy center, specifically your solar plexus, your sun channel. Spending time in the sun is a simple yet powerful way to charge this energy center. Whether it's meditating under the sun, practicing sun salutations, or just soaking up the sunlight, these activities can activate and enhance your energetic body. But that's not all. Moving your body is equally important. The more active your physical body is, the more dynamic and vibrant your energetic body becomes. Engage in activities that keep you moving, be it yoga, running, or even regular workouts at the gym. Physical movement stimulates energy flow, making your magnetic field stronger and more capable of attracting what you desire. Breath work is another powerful tool. Techniques like fire breath can help activate your energy, bringing vitality and focus to your intentions. When your energy is vibrant and your magnetic field amplified, you become a stronger magnet for the things you want in your life. Step 2. Recode your energetic field. Once your energy is activated, the next step is to decode or recode the vibrational messages your energetic body is sending out. Ask yourself, what is my energy saying right now? Is it aligned with health, abundance, and positivity, or is it stuck in patterns of fear, doubt, or negativity? Changing your energetic code is like reprogramming your DNA. Once it changes, everything you attract into your life changes as well. This process starts with your environment, which plays a massive role in shaping your energetic vibrations. Consider the people you surround yourself with. Are they uplifting and positive, or do they drain your energy with negativity and complaints? The words, actions, and even the silent energy of those around you are constantly influencing your own energetic field. Remember, your tribe equals your vibe. Surround yourself with people who inspire, uplift, and support you, and your vibration will naturally elevate. But it's not just about people. Spaces matter too. Think about how different places make you feel. Some spaces energize you, making you feel powerful and motivated. Others might drain your energy, leaving you feeling tired or overwhelmed. By consciously choosing environments that resonate with positivity and peace, you can further enhance your energetic field. When you change your surroundings, both the people and the spaces, you automatically start to recode your energetic field. This shift will align your energy with the things you truly desire, making it easier to attract them into your life. Once your code is aligned with positivity, abundance, and love, the things you want will flow to you effortlessly. Your magnetic field will be so strong that it will draw in all the pleasant and desirable experiences you seek, magnified many times over. It becomes a natural, effortless process because your energy is now working in perfect harmony with your intentions. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, you have the power to attract the life you want. Your energetic blueprint is always at work, so make sure it's working in your favor. Until next time, stay positive and keep shining, beautiful soul.